Hi, welcome to ManagementStudyGuide.com. To get access to the courses, you need to register by clicking on the Sign Up button on the top. If you are already a registered member, just click on Log In at the top and enter your registered email ID and password to log in. If you are a new member, just click on Sign Up and fill in the short form to sign up to the website. Once you are signed in, just click on the Courses menu. Here you will see two tabs. One is for the paid courses and the other one is for free courses. Click on the Free Courses tab and you'll see the list of 9 courses. Check out the course demo by clicking the View Demo button. To access a course, just click on the course image or the Go to Course button. This will open up the courses page. Once you're inside the course, just click on Start Course button. This will enroll you into the course and will activate all the options. You will have access to all the course modules, the downloadable PowerPoint presentation, and the course completion certificate. You will also see the tab for My Courses. Similarly, to access paid courses, you need to click on the Paid Courses tab, and you will have the complete list of all the paid courses. To get access to paid courses, you need to purchase a plan. You can check out the various plans under Plans and Pricing. The Ultimate Plan is a one-time payment plan. You just pay a one-time fee and get access to unlimited courses for the lifetime. In case of other plans also, they are not auto-recurring. We will never charge you without your permission, so be free to choose any plan. So, once under the Paid Courses section, just select any specific course by clicking on its image or the Go to Course button, and then click on Start Course. This will take you to the Plans and Pricing page where you select the plan of your choice and click on Buy Now. You'll see a window with your name and email ID. Just click on Proceed to Payment. This brings in the Payments Gateway page. Here you can fill your billing information along with the payment method and details. As soon as the payment is processed, your plan gets activated, and you get access to the courses depending on the plan you just purchased. In case of any queries, please feel free to email us at info@managementstudyguide.com.